After you make both of the ears, it's time to sew it onto the fox. And I am sewing it between round 6 to round 7 of the head. In other words, that's the part where you see the color change from white to red only. So here's round 6, here's round 7. I'm just going to position the ears in between. And I am positioning my ears so that they are actually touching each other on the tips. As you can see here, the tips are touching. So I don't have a gap between the ears, but you are welcome to do that if you want. I just prefer the look where they're closer together. And since round 3 of the ear has 12 stitches, you're going to be folding them flat and going sewing them across flat, making it 6 stitches to sew across. So with that in mind, I am going to position them so that they take up half of the face here. So they'll go over these 4 red stitches and these 2 white stitches, like so. And then this one will go over these 4 red stitches and these 2 white stitches. All right. Now time for some sewing. I find it easier to just kind of hold it together with 1 stitch first and then putting it down. So this is going to be the 4th stitch here. After you finish sewing the ears, the last thing to do is to crochet the strap underneath the fox's chin, which is going to be the strap that you loop the tail through. So to do that, you're going to go between rounds 5 and 6, counting from the nose, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So between those 2 rounds, and we're going to find a stitch somewhere, between those 2 rounds, there. And we're going to find a stitch somewhere near the middle of the face. I'll move over a tad. All right. And when you found your spot, you're going to attach yarn and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you chain 8, you're going to join with a slip stitch under a stitch in round 2. So here's round 1 and then 2. So going here, insert a slip stitch into round 2. And you're going to fasten off with a long tail. And that's that for the strap. All you have to do now is to weave in both the front and the back ends. You can use a crochet hook if you want. I prefer using a yarn needle for secure weaving. After you finish the strap, you can go ahead and insert the fox's tail through that little holder here, like so. And it'll stay in place. Thank you for crocheting with me today. Hope you enjoyed this fun project and hope you enjoy wearing it too. It's definitely a cute and whimsical project to make. Happy crafting! Bye everyone!